to my channel. So, in today's video, I am super happy because I am going to make a cooking video. I did a cooking video before, but I kinda delete it. But I kinda delete it because my dog was barking and it was too much noise and that kind of stuff. So I am back making cooking videos. I will be back making other videos, but I will be back making other videos, but I'm more excited to post a cooking video. Y'all could have saw my last cooking video, but I will say it like this. I just didn't it because I didn't like how it turned out and I kind of feel bad because my mom was going to help me with the cooking video that I was getting edit and posted. So, and then so here what happened. I was making my cooking video on the day, and then the day after that day, so after that day, my mom was going to help me make. My mom was going to help me edit that video, and somehow I just delete it by accident. So if y'all upload, I know how my mom on her channel make cooking videos, and I don't make cooking videos, but I kinda delete it, and I just feel bad because I put my hard work into that video. I kind of, I don't know what to say. I don't want to say I hate myself, but I don't want to say that, but I kinda do, because I really wanted to show y'all how my mom make her Hello Fresh meals that she gets, and on this, so my mom got this coupon, so I was going to show y'all how my mom make it, make it. So I was going to show y'all how my mom make it, and then I accidentally delete everything, and you know what I should have done? I should have waited. I should have waited for my mom. That's what I should have did. Instead of I didn't. Like I said in the beginning of this video. So I will be making another cooking video. I am really happy about that. I'm doing vlogs, like I said in my other video. But I just wanted to come in and say, because I know y'all have questions of, I know y'all is thinking like, so, and that means Nathan not making a cooking video with his mom. I know y'all are thinking that, you know what, y'all probably thinking that right now. But yeah, I'm going to try. This time, I am not going. This time, I am not going to delete it. Now I know how to put it in fast motion and all of that, so you might see a cooking video that is coming up on my channel. But I wanted to say that in today's video to let y'all guys know. I don't want to make this video to let y'all guys know what more happened, because I don't think I told y'all anything in the last, sorry. Because I don't think I told y'all in the last video that I posted on my channel about it. But I just wanted to come in and make this video because I know y'all thinking like, why isn't there no cooking video going on? So that is why I didn't upload a cooking video. So yeah, that's all I have to say in today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video. So subscribe, subscribe to my channel if you new. If you on the road to 100 subscribers 2022. But I gotta head out. I hope everybody have a good day today on the Wednesday. So that the Monday night in new, and I will get y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.